That's right, guys. It's a beautiful day here in New York City. It's bright and sunny outside, but it's also a little bit windy. And because of that, I'm inside in the studio. Meanwhile, yeah, it is after 4 o'clock. That's right, the markets are closed. And guess what? We only have one more day left of the trading week. And with that stated, it can only mean one thing. It's happy hour in New York City. Now stocks, they continue to trade around the flatline Wednesday afternoon, this ahead of tomorrow's important government jobs report. Now in the last full day of trading before the July 4th holiday, that's today because tomorrow is an abbreviated schedule, the markets close at 1. The Dow had the narrowest trading range of the year, just 37 points with only 1 hour left to go in trade. Now earlier stocks, they were mixed despite a better than expected ADP jobs report confirming a strengthening jobs market as employers added 281,000 jobs. But morning gains, they were diminished when Fed Chair Janet Yellen said that monetary policy has limitations in addressing financial stability risks. Also, new orders for manufactured goods, they decreased 0.5%. That was steeper than the 0.3% expected by analysts. And now for every stock that gained over at the New York Stock Exchange this afternoon, 2 declined. And let's now take a look to see how the Dow Jones closed out the last full trading session of the week. Meanwhile, on the corporate front, Constellation Brands, the S&P 500's biggest percentage gainer, shares up nearly 3% after reporting earnings and revenue that beat expectations. Google shares dipping slightly after announcing the purchase of streaming music service Songza late yesterday. Rackspace Hosting jumping nearly 8% to $36.44 after TechCrunch reported the cloud service provider may take itself private. Shutterfly, remember them? Their shares jumping nearly 14% to $49.49 after Bloomberg reported that the company was working with a boutique investment bank to find buyers for itself. And JP Morgan Chase shares down about 1% after CEO Jamie Dimon said he had been diagnosed with early stage throat cancer. So there you have it. Kick back, relax. So that's the news for the day. Tomorrow, don't forget, the markets, they close at 1 p.m. an abbreviated session. And then after that, it's the 4th of July. And speaking of the 4th of July, everybody knows I'm a little sad today because, you know what, despite a valiant effort and a legendary performance by Tim Howard, my boys, they lost yesterday. But they escaped the group of death, I will say that, and because of that, I am very proud of them. If only they would have played this man, maybe they would have had more defense, but you know what? We did better than anybody else expected. And Belgium, if you beat the U.S., you better beat Argentina on Saturday. If not, I don't know what to say. I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning from ModernWallStreet.com. I'm James Sweeney.